Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. How are you? In this video, we are going to know the trick to remember cranial nerves and their functions. The cranial nerves carry information from the brain to all parts of the body and facilitate the sense of vision, smell, muscle movement and hearing. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves in the human body. First, let us know the names of the cranial nerves. Number 1. Olfactory nerve. Number 2. Optic nerve. Number 3. Oculomotor nerve. Number 4. Trochlear nerve. Number 5. Trigeminal nerve. Number 6. Abducens nerve. Number 7. Facial nerve. Number 8. Vestibulocochlear nerve. Number 9. Glossopharyngeal nerve. Number 10. Vagus nerve. Number 11. Accessory nerve. Number 12. Hypoglossal nerve. The first mnemonic is to help you remember the names of the cranial nerves in order. Only one of the two athletes felt very good, victorious and healthy. This is the first mnemonic. I'm repeating it. Only one of the two athletes felt very good, victorious and healthy. If you see the first letter of each word in this, you can find and remember the names of the cranial nerves in order. In the previous mnemonic, you may have noticed some of the cranial nerves start with the same letter. So how do you know which one to use in the mnemonic? Make sure you watch this video till the end because there are tricks to help you with this too. Now let us move on to the cranial nerves mnemonic number 2. The second mnemonic is to help you remember the functions of the cranial nerves. Some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter most. I'm repeating it. Some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter most. S in this mnemonic stands for sensory, M for motor and B for both. Both means both the sensory and motor nerves, mixed nerve. Cranial nerves are sensory, motor or both. Now let us clear our confusion of the cranial nerves starting with the same letter. Cranial nerves starting with the letter O. This includes olfactory nerve, optic nerve and oculomotor nerve. Olfactory, nose. The olfactory nerve deals with the sense of smell and we only have one nose. So you can remember the olfactory nerve is cranial nerve number 1 because we have one nose. Optic nerve, eyes. The optic nerve deals with the sense of vision and we have two eyes. So you can remember the optic nerve is cranial nerve number 2 because we have two eyes. Oculomotor nerve. The oculomotor nerve contains the word motor. We know from the mnemonic that cranial nerve number 3 is the only motor cranial nerve among the cranial nerves 1, 2 and 3. Remember, cranial nerve number 1 and 2 are sensory. So you can remember the oculomotor nerve is cranial number 3 because it contains the word motor and it is the only motor nerve of those three. Let's move on to the cranial nerves that start with the letter T. This includes trochlear nerve, trigeminal nerve. The trick to remember is trochlear, O in the trochlear and 4. For the trochlear nerve, use the O in the trochlear and the O in the 4. To remember the trochlear nerve is cranial nerve number 4. Trigeminal, I in the trigeminal and 5. For the trigeminal nerve, use the I in the trigeminal and the I in 5 to remember the trigeminal nerve is cranial nerve number 5. Cranial nerves starting with the letter A. This includes abducens nerve, accessory nerve. Abducens. Abducens. Cranial nerve number 6. Say abducens instead of abducens. To help you remember the abducens nerve is cranial nerve number 6. Accessory. Accessory 11 pairs. For the accessory nerve, you will notice the word accessory has two pairs of letters, two C's and two S, and the number 11 contains a pair of 1. So this can help you remember the accessory nerve is cranial nerve number 11. Finally, we have the cranial nerves that start with the letter V. This includes vestibulocochlear nerve and vagus nerve. Vestibulocochlear nerve, ear or equilibrium, 8. The vestibulocochlear nerve deals with the hearing, ear and equilibrium. Ear, equilibrium and 8 all start with the letter E, and this will help you remember the vestibulocochlear nerve is cranial nerve number 8. Vagus, thorax or tummy, 10. The vagus nerve mainly innervates organs in the thorax and the abdomen, tummy. Thorax, tummy and 10 all start with the letter T, and this will help you remember the vagus nerve is cranial nerve number 10. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching.